Say hi.
Hi,
Who are you?
I'm Keller.
And what are we doing? Oh, I didn't tell you what we're doing. What are we going to play with here?
A ball.
The ball. This is our pancake blender bottle. Okay. Right now, when you order one of these, it helps feed. It helps give 11 meals to Feeding America. So this is one of our giving back items. Okay. Hold on. Let's not touch everything. Okay. So basically, this is awesome. You know, keep this because it's a good guide because it has all kinds of different icons that maybe you don't know. First off, I want to show you that the lid is a measuring spoon. It's about 2 teaspoons. Okay, so that's the lid, but it's also a measuring spoon. And it just snaps on there when you're ready to shake. Hold on. There's the lid, pops off, and then there's the blender bowl. Okay, so we're going to do 12, and I'm doing these right now so that we have them. Sit down, please. You need to follow directions. We're going to do this for 12. I'm doing this the night before, and just throwing it in the fridge, so in the morning it's easy. Just heat up a skillet, pour it on, be done. Okay, so to make 12, which it shows the line here for the milk. Can you see that? The milk icon in the line. Wait a minute, we're going to pour some milk in here, and then you're going to be able to do that. Mommy's going to pour the milk because it's so very full. Okay? So very full of milk.
It's cow milk.
It is cow milk.
I don't like cow milk.
Okay.
I like goat milk.
You do like goat milk, yes. We have a dairy allergy in the house. All right, so this salt, it says 2 pinches. So can you just shake a little salt in here, buddy? Let's make sure this is on. Just do 1 shake of salt in here. Shake the salt. That's probably 2 pinches. Good job. Okay, let's put the lid back on.
I want to scoop, Mama.
Okay. And then we're going to fill flour up to this line right here. Okay? So here's the flour. You're going to use the scoop, right?
And just pour it in.
Yeah, here. Mom's going to scoop it, and you're going to just dump it in here.
Okay, Dad.
Dump it in here. Okay, probably 1 more, I'm guessing.
I want to do that.
You can do that one next, okay? Ready? Here. Pour it in here. A little bit more. A little more than 2/3 of a cup, it looks like, for the 12. Guys, I'm not going to lie. I seriously use Bisquick or whatever, Crusties or whatever. I don't ever do stuff like this. So, okay. So that's, okay, it's not scooping that. I'm going to give you the next thing. So then, the next thing it shows is, let's get that down there. Yeah, there we go. Look, right at the line. A little more than 2/3 of a cup. And then it shows 2, which is 4 teaspoons. It's 2 of these guys, the lid scooper, okay, of baking soda. That symbol is for baking soda. All right, so I'm going to let Keller do that. Ready? I want you to.
I'm going to pour it.
Yep, you're going to. Is that exciting?
I'm going to do it by myself.
Okay, that's fine. Good job. 1 more. Do you know what we're making?
Yeah.
What are we making?
Some soda.
This is baking soda. We're making, go ahead, what is it?
Pancakes.
Pancakes, yeah. So we're going to have some mix for pancakes when it's time.
Are we going to eat some pancakes for my nap?
And then, I don't know what that symbol is.
Are we going to do
sugar.
This after?
So then it wants you to do 4 of those scoops of sugar.
Mama, are we going to do sugar now?
Yep. Take that scooper out. And where's our scoop? Here you go. We're going to do 4 of them. Here, ready?
Mama, yeah.
Hold on. I gotta be patient. 1. Good.
2. It's right. It's right, Mama.
2. We're going to do 4. Oh, that was 2.
And that was
so what's this
2,
one?
3, 4.
3.
3, 4.
How many more? 1 more, right? To make 4. 4. Awesome. Okay. Then, wait a minute. 2 eggs. Mama forgot the eggs. Let me grab them.
Okay, Mama.
Oh, man.
What?
Forgot to put our ball in the bottom. I'm going to dump this all out, put the ball on the bottom, and dump it back. Grab me 2 eggs, Sterling, please.
2 eggs. Oh.
Okay. 2 eggs. It's okay. We'll fix it. I just dumped a little on the floor. Okay, pop that in there. Let's pour it all back in. I need to get a scraper. Hold on. Please, hold on.
Where's the scraper?
Hold on.
Wow, there's so many oil in there.
So see, anybody can sell Pampered Chef, even if you don't know what you're doing with your pancakes. Okay.
Mom, I was smell it.
I can see you
Yum.
smelling it. Yeah, that's called vanilla.
Vanilla?
Yep.
Is
Okay.
it called vanilla?
Yep.
Is this called
Making me
vanilla?
nervous. I'm just gonna. We put vanilla in our pancakes.
Mommy?
And cinnamon. So
Mom,
I'm just gonna.
Mom, I'm gonna do
Add a dash of
I'm
vanilla.
gonna do the eggs.
Mom's gonna do the
I'm
eggs just because it's already been.
Keller one.
You get to shake it in a minute.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So 2 eggs was next. We got our 4 things of sugar. I dumped a little bit of stuff on the ground, but I don't think it's really gonna make a difference. So you want to get the lid on there firmly. Make sure that your measuring spoon is back down in there. Then you have to hold here, and it says to shake for 30 seconds for the 12, or 20 seconds for 6, 30 seconds for 12. You have to hold on to this while you shake. Hold, no. Push. Yeah. Put this hand. No. Put this hand here. And then pick up with this hand. The bottom hand. We're gonna shake it. Okay, let mommy have a try.
Okay.
Shake, 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 shake. Whoop. Shake, 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 shake.
Are you making pancakes?
Okay, you wanna help? Shake again. Okay, ready? Ready? Shake. What do you like in your pancakes?
Some vanilla.
Vanilla. What do you like us to mix into your pancakes?
A mixing bowl.
A mixing bowl. Yeah, that goes in here.
A mixing bowl.
All right. So there's my pancake batter.
Mommy,
It's
put the mixing bowl
a
in there.
little loose because I spilled some of the flour, I think. So I will be adding a little bit of flour. But when you do it, it'll be perfect because, well, you'll remember to put your ball in there.
I'm going to put the mixing bowl in there. I'm going to put the mixing bowl in there.
The mixing bowl's in there already. Alright, guys. That's our pancake blender bottle.
Are you